Okay, your second example is based on having a missing coordinate. And in this case, A is a y coordinate for this point 2 whatever. Okay? So basically, when you have a coordinate that is missing, you put it on top when you stack it. So the next step is to stack the points. Okay? Again, you're going to change signs. So this one goes to plus, plus, and then there's a minus right there. All right. Next step then is to take add them together. So 2 plus 6 is 8. And then this back one now becomes a minus 2. All right, the next step was to square them. So this is going to give you 8 squared. And you're going to add them together. So this is a minus 2 squared. And then it's going to equal 10 squared. Okay, 8 squared is 64. So it's 64 plus, and then you either FOIL this out, stack it and multiply it just like you do normal numbers, or the memorization part, square the first term, take 2 times the product, so 2 times 2 is 4, and then square the last term is 4, and that's equal to 100. All right, combine what you can, so you can combine these two together, the 64 and the 4, so you have a squared minus 4a plus 68 is equal to 100. And you solve by moving the 100 back over to this side. So this becomes a squared minus 4a minus 32. All right. Once you do that, then you factor this, or you use quadratic formula to solve for it. And we'll break 32 down into 1, 32, 2, 16, 4, 8, and that will be it. Okay, so you have to subtract to get the 4. That means that this combination does that. So we set up our parentheses next. And a goes here, a goes there. If you draw your arc across, it doesn't really matter. Put the numbers in, 4 and 8. Largest has to follow this sign right here, which is a negative. So the 8's the largest. And 1 times a negative is a negative. That becomes a positive. So your final answer to this solution is a is going to be negative 4, or a is going to be an 8. All right?